This is Locksmith Silva here, and I have a combination lock by Master. It's a 176, and it's a 4-digit combination, and I have it on 8708. As you can see, if I move it, it doesn't open. 8708. However, I am going to change the combination and then I'm going to decode it. And the only way you can decode these locks is by pulling the shackle and feeling the numbers. If it's very sensitive, that's the number to the lock. Okay, so you go one by one. I always started at 0, but first I'm gonna decode it. Okay, you push the shackle and you turn the shackle to the back like this, and then you can see take it. It's closed, and I don't know which one is it, but I'm gonna zero them out. Do this video so we could understand that these locks, they're not safe. If you have something very expensive you want to protect, you don't want to protect it with this lock. And it's not easy spending $30, $40 to buy a lock that someone's gonna come and steal it, your property, steal something that you value, and you just spend $60, $80 on a lock that can protect it. So let's start. Number 0, there's nothing on number 0. I go numbers by numbers. Now I went from 0, now I'm on 1. One seems like is the number on number 4, because there's 4 digits. Number 4 is, I believe it's number 1. Now then we go to number 2. Now we leave number 4 alone because the number, when you move the dial, it was really sensitive. So we go to 2, and then move. Number 3, then move. Now we go to number 4. Okay, the 3rd digit is really sensitive and it stayed on number 4. So 3 and 4 digits are 4 and 1. Now we're gonna continue with digits 1 and digits 2, okay? We know that digit 1 and digit 2. Then move the digits. Now we're gonna continue. We went down to 5. And nothing. We're going to 6 now. Nothing. We go to 7. Nothing. Remember, the shackle, you have to pull back once you change the digits, the numbers, okay? Pull back. Okay. Digit 1, on number 8, it was very sensitive. So number 1, digit 1 is an 8, digit 3 is a 4, and digit 1 is an 8, digit 3 is a 4, and digit 4 is a 1. Now we stay on number 2, digit number 2. We keep moving it till there it is. It is $89.41. Okay. Like I says, 176 master locks are not safe, and try not to buy them. Be safe and do not steal.